My name is Senator Professor Anthony Ani. I speak on behalf of Ebonyi South. Thank you for the privilege. In my place, they say he who laughs last, laughs longest. Now, security, we all know, is of much concern.
Any question for the nominee?
I'm coming, sir. Just let me finish the statement. I put addendum.
You are going into a lecture?
No, not lecture this time. So it's of very much concern. Now, the basic question I want to ask, there are two of them. Now, would you, General Musa, I hope you would know the difference between your office now as a minister and your previous office as a defense, chief of defense staff.
If he doesn't know, you can go and teach him.
Secondly, I want to advise that his job should be such that he works in very close synergy with all these
Are you the president?
Chiefs,
are you the president who
all
appointed
the
him?
chief of
The person who appointed him will advise him.
In the sense that if there is no harmony between them, there is bound to be misfortunes along the way.
Point of order.
So,
Order 52A.